Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Nitro community. Today we are going to be diving down into what is known as Neutrinos blockchain. And I gotta tell you guys right now that there is a massive announcement that you need to hear today in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, we have a very important project that we need to talk about today. So this one is known as Neutrinos blockchain. You guys can clearly see where it does state that this is powered by proof of artificial intelligence consensus with real-time transaction validation and operated using mesh network of artificial intelligence. Now, this is considered as a third generation blockchain with zero fees for transactions, real-time transaction validation, and power of AI, which makes it superior than any other existing blockchain. This was built by blockchain engineers from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, also known as MIT, and it's also in Cambridge. So ladies and gentlemen, whenever it comes to this project, I got to tell you right now that this one is completely different than any other project that you will ever witness. And I have to admit, ladies and gents, that this is super impressive by what they have to offer. So if we actually scroll to the downside, you guys can see right here where it talks about experience real-time transaction validation, a blockchain test net with zero fees. And you guys will see right there, we got the testnet, we got the chain ID, we got the coin name, also known as Neutrinos coin. We have all the information. So it looks like you're going to be able to implement this, hopefully, into your Web3 wallet. Now, you guys can see right below that, it does state featured in media. We have a lot of different places. We got like Market Watch, Yahoo Finance, Digital Journal, Extra 106.3, and Newsnet. So you guys, a lot of things going on for this project. Now you guys are probably thinking, what is this proof of artificial intelligence? What is this proof of AI? What does this actually mean? Well, you guys can see we have artificial intelligence. Obviously, this is important, right? We have AI security. So with the implementation of AI, blockchain technology becomes safer by making secure future applications deployments, right? So AI algorithms are increasingly making decisions about whether financial transactions are fraudulent and should be blocked or investigated. So this is actually a good example. Now we have AI real-time speed. You guys can see right there, it can technically handle more than 3 million transactions per second. And if I'm correct, that's literally like the fastest out there. We have AI finance, so ability of AI algorithm. So we're talking about zero gas fees and real-time transaction validation to help implement blockchain in high throughput finance applications. I like that. And you guys will even see we even have what is known as the zero transaction fees. That's very new. That's very different than anything ever out there that I've seen. Technically, other blockchains, I mean, transaction fees, they're expensive, right? And then you guys can see we have apps integration. So this is a really cool as well. So there's going to be a lot of different things that they got that you can basically use this overall blockchain for. Now, if we take a look, you guys will see we got some tokenomics, right? We got the token smart contract. Total supply is going to be 2 milli, so 2 million coins. Looks like 44% went to Pancake Swap, or Fair Launch, excuse me, for the pink sale. So interesting. Then we have 26% for Pancake Swap, locked for 1 year. 20% for the team. 5% for centralized exchange listing liquidity, and 5% for airdrop and bounty. And we got hackathon technically for 2 years. Now, if we take a look, you guys will see that we do have a timeline, a lot of important details, okay? So you guys will see that technically one of the biggest things here, so obviously we got like the blockchain, community building, fair launch, right? Already passed all that. But you guys will see right here, this is the big one, okay? So here is what you need to know, okay? We have the blockchain, Neutrinos blockchain, mainnet launch, and tier 1 centralized exchange listing. So this means, ladies and gentlemen, that they are literally about to go live. And technically, that's going to be happening on May the 1st, right? So you don't want to miss out on that. And if you guys haven't seen the actual testnet, if you go up to the very top, you can see Explore, and it states right here, Neutrinos testnet. So if we actually check that out, you guys can see exactly, what this kind of looks like, what to expect. So remember, this is going to be live, and they're basically stating that they're going to be able to do about 3 million transactions per second using what is known as PoAI, Proof of Artificial Intelligence. And that definitely separates this from any other type of project out there to this day. So this is really, really cool. So you guys can see exactly what to expect here. So this is going to be big, especially when they do officially launch. Now, if we take a look, you guys will see a lot more information. We've got like hackathon, staking, yielding farming. We even have blockchain, right? Bitstock DEX, and we even have for enterprises. So a lot happening, okay? And you guys will see we do have the products. So we have the Neutrinos blockchain. As you guys already know, this is going to be really different compared to any others, right? And we even have what is known as developer tools, free to use, open source, and easy. It helps developers build what is known as dApps on the Neutrinos blockchain with minimum efforts and development cost. I like that. So Neutrinos Google Cloud blockchain database tools to help integrate Neutrinos with database applications. And we even have what is known as the Bitstock DEX, as stated, so trading, equity, future, and commodity markets, stocks from 45 countries, commodities like gold, silver, oil, USDT, and others. So this is pretty cool. And then we even have what is known as stake yield farming. I don't really think this is needed, especially for the blockchain, but you guys can see where it states right here, all the basic applications, including staking and yielding, bridge, and many more, which require to build blockchain ecosystem will be deployed by the team. So awesome. I like that. And if we take a look, you guys will see we do have the frequently asked questions. Okay. Now at the very top of the website, once again, you guys can see right here where we do have a button where it states you can actually buy this, right? You can buy this directly from PancakeSwap. So if we actually click right there, you guys are going to see it's going to take us directly to PancakeSwap. It's going to automatically import the token, as you guys can see. So obviously you just need to make sure you go to the very top right. I mean, you can connect any wallet that you have, just swap it out for some BNB, right? So buy up as much as you can. Now, if we go back, you guys will even see far right, we even have a legal. We got important details here, right? So for example, we have the audit, right? So smart contract, which is good. And you guys will even see we have right here, we have the KYC, and technically this was done by Pink Sale. If you guys would like to check more information about that, you're more than welcome. So it tells us a member has been successfully completed the verification. And then we even have what is known as the Seifu. So the Seifu PDF looks like it's actually in the Telegram or Trinos token terminal. So if you'd like to, more than welcome to check this out. You guys can see we got buy tax 4%, sale tax 4%, a lot of important details, so which is really, really, really cool. Now at the very top right of the website, you guys can see where it talks about an airdrop. Now listen, to be part of this, obviously you need to make sure that you sign up. Very important. First name, last name, email, password, and referral code, right? Very important. But I also want you guys to understand that once you do this, you're going to be able to do different tasks. And once you do these different tasks, this is going to allow you to be part of the airdrop, right? So make sure you guys are joining them, especially whenever it comes to, say, Twitter. A lot of important details here, right? Show some love. You'll even see that they do have a Telegram, right? And they even have a Discord. So they have a lot of members that are currently online. All right. So Neutrinos, you guys, the big announcement, as stated, is the fact that they are going to be officially launching, right? This is going to be their mainnet. Okay. The mainnet, ladies and gents. Okay. That's going to be on May the 1st. So big announcement. You do not want to miss out on this. So make sure you guys are part of the latest news, latest updates, and latest announcements. We'll see you guys in the next video, and ciao.